Thinking about buying a home in Port St. Lucie, Florida? What if I told you that there is a brand new community that offers modern homes, is family friendly, and offers some of the best value in tradition? If that piques your interest, then stick around because today we are going to take a deep dive in everything Cadence at Tradition. From build times to incentives to HOA fees and all of the available models, this is your complete guide. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. If you're new to our channel, my name is Laura McClelland, and I'm a licensed real estate agent in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I work alongside my partner, Michael Borgen. Together, we make videos about the Treasure Coast and real estate in the surrounding areas, and we specialize in new construction homes. Whether you're looking to buy a new construction home or make a move, we'd love to help. Feel free to call, text, or email us to get started on your home buying journey. And remember, using us as your realtor when buying new construction doesn't cost you anything because the builder pays your agent's commission. All right, so Cadence at Tradition is a newly gated community by Mattamy Homes. Once it's fully built, it'll have close to 1,000 homes, including both townhomes and single-family homes. They're currently finishing up Phase 1 of the community and will begin Phase 2, which will have another 345 homes and a second amenity center. As someone who personally owns a home in this community, I can say that one of the biggest standout features of these homes is that they're built fully with concrete block structures, ensuring extra durability during Florida's hurricane season. And each home will have a beautiful brick paver driveway, but that's not all. Each home comes standard with hurricane impact windows and exterior doors, which not only provide safety during the storms, but also contribute to energy efficiency by keeping your home cooler in the summer and reducing your utility cost. Another big plus, Cadence is a natural gas community, which means that your tankless gas water heater, stove, and dryer are going to run on gas, which means that you're going to save money on your electric bill because it is more cost efficient. This feature adds both convenience and long-term savings for homeowners. Now, the community itself is located just minutes from shopping, dining, and major highways like I-95, making it a super convenient spot for families, retirees, and professionals alike. The nearby Tradition Square offers weekly events like the Tradition Neighborhood Market every Sunday, free Zumba, yoga, and Tai Chi classes under the gazebo, as well as many annual events like a turkey trot and Cupid's Dash 5K, so there is always something to do. If you're unfamiliar with Tradition in Port St. Lucie, Florida, it is located about 30 minutes west from Jensen Beach, about 35 minutes north of Jupiter, and 45 to 50 minutes north of West Palm Beach, Florida. It's about 2 hours north of Miami Airport, 45 minutes north of Palm Beach Airport, and 2 hours south of Orlando International Airport. So you are very centrally located on the east coast of Florida. Tradition is a very fast-growing area within Port St. Lucie with multiple new construction communities, restaurants, shopping, and parks like the brand new Tradition Regional Park that will feature the world's first all-wheel inclusive BMX racetrack, which is coming soon in 2025. It is located just 2 minutes outside of Cadence at Tradition. If you're interested in more information about Tradition, reach out to us at the number on the screen and we'd be happy to provide you with more information or be your tour guide around the town to help you make the best decision on where to find your perfect home. If you are interested in visiting the new construction communities, make sure that you do not visit the model centers without giving us a call first, so you do not lose your right to have your own representation during the home buying process. Having an experienced real estate agent on your side is imperative to ensure that you're getting the best deal and maximizing any incentives that are being offered. Out of all of the new construction communities, Cadence is by far the best bang for your buck if you are looking for a quality, brand new home for a reasonable price. Cadence is the perfect family-friendly community with tons of families and fun family-friendly events such as food trucks and movie nights on the event lawn, located near the community resort-style pool and covered cabana. If you're looking for a townhome, Cadence at Tradition offers 3 spacious options starting from the mid-300s. The Ellery, which is the largest townhome model with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,917 square feet. The Ashton features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,674 square feet. And the Dakota, which offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with 1,751 square feet. All townhomes come in the contemporary elevation, offering a sleek and modern look. For those interested in single-family homes, there are 7 floor plans to choose from. The Caledon is a single-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, making it the most cost-effective single-family home in the community with a base price of $380,990. The Cascades is a single-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a flex room that can be converted into a 4th bedroom, with a base price of $397,990. The Gateway is a single-story home that offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a flex room that can also be converted into a 4th bedroom or study with a base price of $423,990. The Capitol Reef is a single-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a flex room with a base price of $465,990. And the Biscayne Bay, which is a single-story home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a flex room with a base price of $500,990. For 2-story options, the Shenandoah floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a flex room with a base price of $400,990. And the largest model, the Mount Rainier, includes 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a flex room, and a 3-car garage with a base price of $555,990. Each one of these floor plans can come in your choice of the 3 different exterior models: the Coastal, Modern, or the West Indies. It is important to note that the base prices do not include lot premiums or additional upgrades such as design packages. The Caliber collection is standard, but there are 5 different design options to choose from. And all of the bedrooms will come with carpets as the standard, so if you do want tile throughout the entire home instead of carpets in the bedroom, you'll need to make that decision early in the process. Some design changes can't be made if construction is too far along. So what if you want to build a home from the ground up and pick all of your own customization? Well, Mattamy Homes is a spec home builder, which means they pre-plan their homes to build on their selected lots. So they offer many move-in ready options. However, you can still pick your own preferred lot and build a home, but it is important to note that you do have to choose the design packages that they provide. So it is not a fully custom home building experience. This does help streamline the home building process, resulting in faster building times. If you're signing a contract today, you can expect a building time of around 5 to 7 months. But if you need something sooner, they also have quick move-in homes available in as little as 1 to 3 months. Now let's talk about lot premiums. If you're eyeing a lakefront home, expect to pay an extra $30,000 to $50,000. And another option for lots in this community is a berm, which gives you additional privacy in your backyard. Some homes in Phase 2 will have an option for a wetland preserve view. These lot premiums will be cheaper than a lakefront view, of course, so that is something to consider if you are wanting to keep within your budget. Another important thing to note for all home purchases here, there will be a required deposit as your earnest money, and it will be between 5 to 10% of the home purchase, depending on if you are paying cash or the type of loan you have. That deposit is applied towards the home purchase, so if you are planning to use an FHA loan and only put down 3.5%, you may be able to get that 1.5% deposit down back at closing, or you can use it to buy down your rate. Now, incentives, this is where things get interesting. Builders change their incentives constantly, which they offer things like closing cost assistance or price reductions if you go with their preferred lender. Cadence is built by Mattamy Homes, so you would need to use the Mattamy Homes lending or another one of their approved lenders. Speaking of lenders, should you use the builder's lender? In most cases, yes. You will want to use their lender to get access to the great incentives that they offer. While we're here talking about budgets, since Cadence is an HOA community, you will also have to pay an HOA fee. The good news, they're pretty reasonable. You're looking at around $388 per month, but that does include your high-speed internet, cable TV with HBO, security system, all lawn, landscaping, and irrigation, and that comes from the lakes, reducing the cost of the water bill by not having to run your own sprinklers. You'll also have access to the community pool and grilling area. You may be wondering, how are the property taxes in Port St. Lucie? Well, they are a bit higher than other areas, but the home prices are still affordable for the type of home that you are getting. Because this community is a part of Tradition, which is a very up-and-coming area with everything being brand new, there are CDD fees, which stands for Community Development District. These fees help cover the cost of infrastructure and community build plans. The fee is added onto your annual property taxes and ranges anywhere between $960 to $1,220 per year based on the home collection that you buy. On the other hand, homeowners insurance is surprisingly low, usually between $1,500 to $2,500 per year thanks to the new construction benefits. With everything being brand new, you have less maintenance costs to worry about, at least for the first year, as the builder provides a limited 1-year warranty. One thing you will have to remember to set aside some money in your budget for is that these homes do not come with a refrigerator, washer, or dryer as a standard, so you will need to purchase these on your own after closing. However, if you work with us as your realtor, we do have some tips to maximize the incentives that the builder provides and can assist with the negotiation of appliances. So make sure to give us a call before making the decision to buy a home here at Cadence. So is Cadence at Tradition the right place for you? Well, if you want a gated, well-priced community with modern homes and fair HOA fees that is a perfect place to raise a family in, it is a solid choice. We personally own a home here in Cadence at Tradition, and we love the community and the close proximity to downtown Tradition. Are you ready to make your move to sunny Port St. Lucie? Whether you're relocating for work, retirement, or a fresh start, we've got you covered. Our Port St. Lucie relocation guide is packed with everything that you need to know, including insights on the best neighborhoods, top-rated schools, cost of living, and local attractions to help you settle in with ease. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description of this video below to download your free copy today and take the first step towards finding your dream home in Port St. Lucie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tour of one of the best new communities here on the Treasure Coast. See you next time.